Another cavitation slimming machine, also the 6-in-1. Also the 6-in-1 cavitation slimming machine. Let's have a look.
I will help you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. And this is the machine when it's going to bring here is our most hot selling cavitation slimming machine. It with many kinds of handles. It's a multifunctional cavitation slimming machine. Done. Yes, here it is. And let's look at its handles. One kind, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 cans of the handles for for the facelifting, skin tightening, and body slimming. And here, two small cans of the handles are for the facelifting. The small handles, these 2 are for the facelifting. And the other 4 cans of the bigger size handles are for the body slimming. Yes. Now let's look at from this one firstly. Yes, this small handpiece. This one we call it the face RF handle. Yes. This is the face RF handle, and it is used to acting on the face like this. And it can directly penetrate into our skin and can create the heat up to 50 to 60 degree heat to promote the generation, the production of the new collagens to reach the effect of the skin tightening. Yes. And the face lifting. Yes, this is the face RF handle. And the next one, let's see the other small handpiece. This one. I really like this special design of this. Yes, it looks just like an insect. Yes, and this is our bio handle. Some people also call it the microcurrent handle. It can help us to relieve dark circles, remove eye bags, and fan lines and the corner of our eyes. Yes, and it can help us to keep the skin elasticity. Yes, and this bio handle can directly penetrate into our skin and help to make our skin with better absorption for the solutions, for the nutrients, and help us to repair the skin. Yes, and it's especially for protecting our eyes, for acting on our eyes. As we all know, for women, the first body part that may expose your age is our eyes. So it really need and also deserve our special attention. Yes, protect it well so that you can look younger and younger and bling. Yes. And the next handpiece, let's look at this one. Yes, this big handpiece. This is 40,000 hertz cavitation handle. Yes, as we all know, the strong wave of the 40,000 hertz can directly help us to break down the fat cells and into small pieces, and finally convert the small pieces of the fat cells into liquid and then directly take them away from our body mainly through the lymphatic system. Yes, this can also help directly to cause the infraction motion of the fat cells. Yes. A very good effect to achieve the body slimming. Yes. And the next handpiece here, I'd like to choose this one. Yes. This is the vacuum RF handle. Vacuum RF handle. Yes, it uses the suction and the pressure to help us to improve the blood flow and the lymph circulation. And the RF also can make the new collagens more contract and increase the quantity of our new collagens to achieve the effect of the skin tightening, skin whitening. Yes. And next handpiece, I'd like to choose this one. This is our body RF handle. Yes, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 polar. It uses the new 6 levels of radio frequency technology to promote the generation of the new collagen. Yes, and leading to the cellulite dissolved and the skin formed to achieve the skin tightening and the body slimming effect. Yes. And next kind of the handles we choose here. As you can see, this we call them the laser pad, lipo laser pad. For this machine, it with 6 pieces of the big laser pads and 2 pieces of the small laser pads. And the big laser pad is with 9 lamps. Yeah, you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the small laser pads with 1, 2, 3 lamps. And the laser pads uses the 160 to 650 nanometers light to stimulate the collagen or the production of the collagens and to achieve the good effect of the body slimming and the skin tightening. Yes. And this kind of the laser pads are usually tied to the treatment areas. And these big laser pads are usually used on the abdomen, on the back, on the buttocks, and on the sides. This kind of large area treatment area. And for these small laser pads are usually acting on the small areas, treatment areas, such as the neck and the knees, arm. Yes. And this is the introduction of the basic function of the different kinds of the handles. Yes, and now let's turn on the machine to see its system. Firstly, we need to plug in the power cord. Okay, plug in the power cord from the starting. Turn it on and it will occur the first page and we press any place on the screen. Yes, it will show the 6 options of the 6 kinds of handles. Firstly, let's choose the can we cavitation handle. Cavitation handle is this one. Yes. Ultrasonic cavitation handle. Yes, the first line is the time setting option. The time setting usually is 20 minutes. You really don't need to adjust anymore. Yes, but if you really want to adjust the time, you can do it according to your specific requirements. And the next line is the cavitation mode. It has the auto mode. Auto mode means the automatic mode. Yes, automatic mode directly from M1 to M4 and the cycle time is 15 seconds. Yes, this is auto mode, automatic mode. Next is the M1 mode, M2 mode, M3 mode, M4 mode. And the difference is for M2, the interval time is 2 seconds. And for M3, the interval time is 3 seconds. And for M4, the interval time is 4 seconds. Yes, here we choose M1. Yes, and the next line is the cavitation power. Cavitation power, we can adjust it from 0 to 100%. Here, we can directly adjust it to the 100% power. And now, I'll try the test of this handpiece. Could you please lend me some water? Thank you, Wei.
Okay.
Thank you. Pour some water. Yes, thank you.
Is it enough?
Okay. A little more, maybe.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And here we choose it. Wow! So you can see the strong vibration of the water on the handpiece. You can also hear the buzzing sound. Yes, the buzzing sound directly shows that the good effect of the handle. And if some customers may, in fact, as different customers may have different feelings about the buzzing sound. If you feel a little loud, you can directly adjust the energy according to your specific feeling. Yes, there's no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Paper.
Okay, thank you. The paper. This is the ultrasonic cavitation mode. Very strong vibration of the water on the handpiece. Okay, put it back. Next handle I'd like to show is the vacuum RF handle. The vacuum RF handle. And let's back to the main menu and choose the vacuum RF. And the first line is the same with the cavitation handle. Is the time setting option, and the next line is the RF mode. RF mode also the auto, the M1, M2, M3, M4. Yes. Here we choose M2. And the next line is the RF power. RF power, we can directly 5. And the next line is the vacuum mode. The vacuum mode also the automatic mode M1, M2, M3, M4. The meaning of the auto and the M1 to M4 is the same with that of the cavitation handle. And here we choose also M2. And here now we can start it. Yes, as you can see, the light is on. This is a LED light. Yes. And when we treatment, yes, I can feel the suction. When we doing the treatment, we need to use this handpiece to touch the skin totally to make sure that there is no gap between the skin and the handpiece. Yes. I choose the interval time. Yes, you can see here. Yes, this is a 1 kilo RF mode. And next handpiece. Let's see. Let's back. Let's see the body RF. The body RF handpiece. The same. The first line is the time setting line. Usually the 20 minutes. And the next line is the RF mode. Also the auto mode M1 to M4. The auto mode is the automatic mode from M1 to M4 as a cycle. And the next line is the RF power. RF power here choose 30%. And start it to when we using it to do the treatment, we also to confirm the connection with the handpiece firmly, and there's no gap. Yes. And here this is the body RF. The body RF handpiece. And next, let's see the face RF handpiece. Face RF handpiece is the first line, also the same, the time setting line, usually the 20 minutes. And the next line is the RF mode, automatic, M1, M2. Here choose M2. And here the RF power, we choose 20%. Yes, let's start. Let's start on my face. Yes, this handpiece can quickly warm the skin to 50 to 60 degree heat to stimulate and promote the production of new collagen for skin tightening and facelifting. Yes, this is the face RF mode. This is a face RF handpiece. And back, the bell. The bell handpiece, also some customers call it the microcurrent handpiece. The first line is the time setting, 20 minutes. Next line is the bell mode. M1, M2, M3, M4, and the auto mode. Here auto mode, and they are the bell power. 20. Start. Yes, do you still remember this handpiece function to help us relieve the dark circles, remove eye bags, and fan lens and the corner of the eye? The bell help us to penetrate into the skin and repair the skin to make the skin with better absorption for the nutrients and solutions, and keep our skin moisturized. Yes. Back. And finally is the laser pens. The laser pens, here the first line is time setting, 20 minutes. And the next line is the laser mode, auto mode, M1 to M4 mode. Next line is the laser power. we can from 0 to 100%. Here we choose 30%, and here we can choose the handpiece, specific handpiece. Can one by one separately. Can also we choose several handpieces at the same time. Yes, here I choose all of them, and here press the start. Yes, you can see here all of them, the light on. You can see all lights on. All lights on. Yes. Here and I choose this one. Does not choose the automatic mode, so the lights can be for a while light on and for a while off. Here now directly change it to M1. M1 is continuous. Yes. Okay. Thank you. This is the introduction of this cavitation slimming machine. Yes.
Customers have some questions.
Okay.
Does the laser nipple interfere with metal? Also, is the laser supposed to be warm or hot?
Not sure interfere with metal, but better to keep away from metal. Lipo laser supposed warm. Yes.
And what body parts can ultrasonic cavitation
can't be used?
Yes.
Okay. The cavitation handle, this cavitation handle can't be used on our back, face, and the area near to our heart. Yes, back, face, and near to the heart.
What if I don't know to operate your equipment?
No need to worry about that, dear friends. When shipping, we will directly give you the user manual, and we also have the videos for installation and the operation videos. If you still have any other questions, you can directly contact us. We are 24 hours online to offer the best service for you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Any other question?
No.
Okay.